Welcome to Garage Guru CSI. We are a team of expert technicians that investigates warranty claims. We handle everything from brake pads to spark plugs, determining whether claims are valid. Today's video is about brake pads, which the customer says are causing a squealing noise. Let's have a closer look. When we examine the pads, we can see that the friction material is coming away from the metal. We can see that there are marks and impressions on the backplate tap end. There is also a bend in the backplate. Guru Tips are expert tips on how to avoid these issues. Always clean the brake caliper with a good brush. And use brake cleaner to remove any dirt, which will ensure the pads can move easily and aren't damaged by any build-up deposit. It's important to always use a caliper piston retracting tool to ensure the brake pad is moving freely in the brake caliper's window. We have determined that incorrect fitting and inspection of components has caused the brake pads to break up and cause a squealing noise. Therefore, the warranty claim is invalid. Make sure you come back to Garage Guru's CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.